So VEV's 14-in-1 Magnesium Complex Gummies have been getting some buzz lately. They claim to support stress relief, sleep, mood, muscle recovery, you name it. But are they actually worth your money or just another supplement fad? Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. VEV promotes these gummies as a powerful blend of magnesium, ashwagandha, theanine, and more all in one bite. The product looks well packaged and is listed on Amazon with a decent number of customer reviews. However, there's no official website and no Trustpilot reviews, which makes it harder to verify the brand's credibility. Most buyers on Amazon mention they taste good and seem to help with sleep and relaxation. But there isn't much talk outside of the product itself. Also, no third party testing info is available, which is something to keep in mind. For the final verdict, the VEV gummies might be legit in terms of ingredients and some users seem satisfied, but the lack of an official site, external reviews, or verified testing leaves a few unanswered questions. It's not necessarily a scam, but it's one of those try at your own risk products. If you've given VEV's magnesium gummies a shot, share how it worked for you below and stick around for more straightforward product reviews.